I'm saying that students should do part-time. So, why students need to do part-time jobs? There are part-time jobs help students to be a, as per your point of view, is totally wrong. As he's saying that students will be, if they like job, so they don't need to do. Hello everyone, I'm Aswa from class level 3 and today we are having a debate, me and Zainab. Our topic is should students do part-time jobs or not? I'm saying that students should do part-time jobs because there's several benefits of students having part-time jobs and firstly it gives work experience to the students and students learn about many things from the job and they will support their families and they will try to fulfill their wishes by their own and they got confidence by doing jobs and it is very important for the student to do part-time jobs. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good evening. My name is Zainab. My father name is Salam Farid and today I am opposing a topic which is should a student do part-time job and I am opposing this side. So why students need to do part-time job? There is no need of students to do part-time job. If any student do part-time job, so they feel exhausted, tired, and they can't do so many things in just a day. Uh, Students first priority must be education, nothing else. If they do part-time job, so they have to work too hard. They are getting too much homework, they are getting too much assignments, projects, and also they are getting the tests and they have to revise that all. Let's take an example of an student who is doing part-time job. They have to wake up early, go to school, and then they will do job. Can you see that in this daily routine they are getting time to relax? They are getting time to focus on their health? Of course not. They are not getting too much time, and if there is not their health, so they can't do anything. Neither study nor the part-time job. In this time period, they have to develop their own self. They have to know their self, know the abilities they are having. They have to know that what specialties are they having and what must be their future job. Not as Sana was saying that part-time jobs are not good for the students because it disrupts the students. It is totally wrong that she is saying part-time jobs help students to be a good person and to build confidence and for the future it's good for the students and as she said that they got anxiety and they can't do the job and how they can focus on their studies so they can there are many students that they are doing part-time jobs and also they are focusing on their studies because they make timetables how to do studies and how to do the jobs. It's very hard for the students. Balancing work and study can be a challenge for students, but it's also for the good for the student. That's why many students in our own country and other country students are doing part-time jobs and getting knowledge about the jobs. If they get knowledge about the jobs, then they can do other jobs by in their futures and make their future bright. As for your point of view is totally wrong. Um, if they are making a daily routine, so means they are of course tired. They are not managing their time. This is age. This is not age for doing jobs and learning that how to do job. This is age that we have to know that that what are our specialties and what job suits us and this is not time for earning money. This is time to learn. This is time to get knowledge about so many things. And if you were talking about that they don't feel tired, so as you all has listened, health is wealth. If they do too much hard work, so they can be physically and mentally too much depressed, and this depression can be everlasting till the future. So of course they can't do anything. They can't earn money if they will focus on learning things. So they can get better grades. They can get better jobs, and then they can get good salary. And there is not time for helping our family for financially and earning money. This is time for learning and getting us our own self, and this is not time for sacrificing our education and our future. As he is saying that the students will be too much depressed by doing part-time jobs. So it's wrong because many students they like to do jobs. So what about that students that they want to do jobs with their study too, and they like to do jobs because they want to learn new things and want to get new knowledge where the job place where we student can go and get new things and new jobs. So it's very beneficial for the student to do part-time jobs. There are many countries that they are prioritizing part-time jobs in their countries for the students, like United States, United Kingdom, Canada. These countries are prioritizing part-time jobs in their countries. So why these are prioritizing? Because they know the value of part-time jobs. It's beneficial for the student, also for the country. I totally disagree, Aspa. If they like jobs, so they don't need to do it while studying learning. Have you ever listened that a student is revising and giving them test? Of course not. First they revise and then they give test. Of course they can't do when they are learning. So then they will do job and they will be expert if they are learning and also doing job. So that will be a burdenized and very exhausted lifetime. This is time for the personal growth, not for just doing jobs and giving help to our parents.